How to paper trade on WEBULL for complete beginners. Paper trading can accelerate your path to success with no money or experience. You can practice trading stocks, options, and futures completely risk-free by building and tracking a simulated portfolio, which mirrors the live market. Like the real deal, you can place trades, test out trading strategies, learn how to use various order types, and get comfortable with the platform itself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use paper trading to move faster than 95% of people and build skill in a fraction of the time. Jumping into the WEBULL app, the first step is to sign up. WEBULL is currently offering up to 75 free fractional shares of stock for signing up, opening an account, and depositing. You'll find a link in the description below that'll take you directly to the sign up page so you can kick off your trading and investing with those free shares. To get started practicing, click the menu tab on the bottom right of the WEBULL app, then click more. Under the trading section, you'll see the option for paper trade. Now, one of the best parts about paper trading on WEBULL is that you can start off your account with any amount and reset it at any time. So if you wanted to challenge yourself to grow an account from $500, you can do that, or you can start with $100,000. It's completely up to you. While WEBULL does provide live market data, there are important differences between real trading and paper trading beyond just using fake money. I'll highlight these when we place a trade in a second. To get started trading, click paper trade on the bottom, then you can search for a stock name or ticker. For this example, let's buy 8 shares of Tesla stock. The chart page looks exactly like the real deal. By clicking the drop down on the top right, WEBULL displays key data about the stock, including financial ratios, upcoming earning announcements, price changes, and more. These can be used to help make decisions about whether a stock is a good investment or when an ideal entry or exit point may be if you're actively trading. Jumping down, you can practice using technical indicators, adding trend lines and other drawings, or customizing the layout to your liking. Clicking the options tab to the right of the chart lands you on the options chain. If you're new to trading options, you'll especially want to start with paper trading as they're riskier than trading stock. WEBULL also provides news related to the stock, a feeds tab, which I like to think of as a Twitter or X within WEBULL, analyst ratings, company financial reports, press releases, and management information. To trade, click the paper trade button on the bottom, then you're brought to the order form. Like the real deal, you'll follow the same process to place a paper trade order. Start by selecting buy or sell, then choose your order type. This is the first major difference between paper trading and live trading. WEBULL offers 14 order types to choose from when live trading versus 5 when paper trading. While there are less to practice with, having access to these 5 is great because they're the foundation for the remaining order types. Once you understand these, the others become much easier to work with. For our order to buy 8 shares of Tesla, let's go with a market. This is the simplest order type, yet one of the most important to understand as a beginner. When placing a market order, you're willing to buy or sell shares at current prices, no matter what they are. A market is a great option if you care less about the exact price you pay or receive and care more about quickly owning or selling the shares. Next, we'll enter 8 for the quantity. Then we have time in force. This represents the length of time your order is eligible for execution, but this doesn't apply for market orders, so we can ignore it. You'll then see the estimated order total and your available buying power. We have over $1,900 of available buying power, which easily covers the order cost of about $1,765 for 8 shares. The market's closed because it's Sunday, but to submit an order, you'd click paper trade and the order will attempt to fill. Now, tracking your performance is the only way to know if you're actually improving or falling behind. Let's dive into our portfolio and highlight the key sections you can use to track your progress. Starting from the top, WEBULL displays your total account value and gain or loss across all of your positions. Under My Positions, WEBULL displays performance by each holding, which is the most important section to keep an eye on. Looking at Apple stock, there are 50 shares owned in this account with a total market value of $10,895. So if you were to sell these shares at the exact stock price Apple's sitting at, you'd receive the market value minus really small regulatory fees. To the right is Open P&L. This represents your total gain or loss based on positions you're still in. Next is Last/Average Cost. This is a really important section because it displays the current stock share price versus the average price per share that you paid for the stock. Moving down is the open order section. This represents the orders you've submitted but haven't yet filled. You can see our order to buy 8 shares of Tesla here because we submitted it while the market was closed. With one of the best beginner features covered, what about the rest of the features on Webull you can use to invest, build wealth, and earn more? Check out this full Webull app tutorial where we explore the entire app step by step so you can confidently navigate it yourself.